Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering Python module attributes. I will explain these 4 important module attributes and then I will explain what is use of DAR function. Guys, I have uploaded complete Python programming subject tutorials. I will provide link in description, you can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Python module has some attributes and these attributes perform some tasks and contain some information about module. These are some of the important module attributes. I will explain each of them and we represent module attributes with underscore at starting and underscore at the end. At first I will explain what is use of name attribute. So at first open command prompt and open Python. Now I am importing math module. So just write here import math. So whenever you write here import math, it will import math module. And next I am writing here math dot underscore name underscore. This name attribute returns name of the module. What is module name? That is math. What is module name? Math. So you'll get output math. For example, I did not import any module. So just I opened command prompt and I opened Python. I did not import any module. Just I am writing here underscore name underscore and whenever you click enter you will get output main. So you will get output underscore main if you do not import any module. This is use of name attribute. Next I will explain what is use of doc attribute. Doc stands for document string. For example, consider this file which I already explained before. For example, it is consider this module contains comment, that is this is module. This module name is file.py and this module is present in local disk D. Now I want to open this file. So just write here. So just open command prompt and open Python. Now I want to import this module file.py. So just open command prompt and open Python. Now inside this write import. This module name is file.py. So just write here file. And next I am writing file. This is module name dot underscore doc, where doc stands for document string. Whatever the comments that are present inside my module file.py, it will display all those comments. So whenever you write here file dot underscore doc underscore and click enter, you will get output. This file contains only one comment, that is this is module. So you will get output this is module. So in order to find any comments present in my module, you can use doc attribute. Next I will explain what is use of file attribute. In place of writing doc, just write here file. So that is underscore file underscore. Where doc attribute is used to identify comments available in my module. And whereas file attribute is used to identify location. So this module file.py is available in local disk D. So you'll get output local disk D and this module name is file.py. So this is my output. So in order to find location of particular module, you can use file attribute. Listen, what is use of DACT attribute, where DACT stands for dictionary. Each and every object in Python has attribute which is denoted by DACT attribute. I imported math module and next I written here math dot underscore DACT underscore and whenever I write this and I click enter, this is my output. Next I will listen what is use of DAR function, where DAR is powerful function in Python. Where DAR is a powerful inbuilt function in Python 3. For example, if you give any object, then this DAR function will return all attributes and methods supported by that particular object. Either it can be functions or modules or strings or any other object. This DAR function will return attributes and methods of that particular object. This is syntax. Just write here DAR. This is function. So inside brackets, you can give any object name. This DAR function behaves differently with different type of objects. For example, in DAR function, if you write class objects, it will return list of names of all attributes. It will return base attributes too. This is when you include class objects in DAR function. And whenever you include modules in DAR function, then it returns names of attributes supported by that module. If no parameters are passed, whatever the names that are present inside scope, it will return all those names. This is how DAR function behaves differently with different object. This is example. Here I am not importing any external libraries. Just I write here print DAR. Whenever you write here print DAR, this is my output. It will print all those attributes. They are built-in attributes, document, file, next name, package, so on. This is example with importing external libraries. For example, here at first I am importing math module. So just I written here import math. Next I am importing import random. This random is also a module. And next I written here print DAR. So whenever you run this code, this is my output. You will get all attributes and at last it will print math and random. These two are modules which I imported before writing print DAR. So it will print math and random. For example, before print here, if I write here a equal to 10, these are all names present in my scope, and as well as at last it will print a, where a is variable name.